Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually filming this at night, and I think this is I don't know if I've filmed a video like this before, but I'm going to be showing you guys my my very relatable nighttime routine as a natural hair sister here in Nigeria. And my hair is currently out-ish. I did a low bun with I did a low puff with 2 flat twists, and that is the style that I wore today. I just wanted to show you guys my moisturizing routine for this period of time. And the reason I'm filming this video actually is because a lot of us, the natural hair community, has rules and regulations which every natural is supposed to follow. And I'm not a regular natural. I don't follow the rules of the natural hair community. I don't abide by everything that is written down to be followed by naturals of the natural hair community. So we are usually admonished, if we don't have nighttime routines, we're advised to have nighttime routines where we do certain things for our hair, maybe every night or some nights. There's a certain type of way you're supposed to make your hair to go to sleep. There are certain things you're supposed to wear on your hair to go to sleep, including bonnets, including certain scarves and whatnot. And I'm not saying these things are bad, these things are actually good. But the reality of it is that most of us, in fact a lot of us, do not actually follow these things. A lot of us don't even have the time or the energy to strictly do all the things that we are supposed to do for our hair. So I decided to film a very realistic nighttime routine. I'm going to just go ahead and tell you guys, there was a time that I was so invested in how my hair was at night. I used to have the satin pillowcases, I used to have the satin scarves, I used to have the bonnets, and I used them religiously. But as time passed, I have not had that time. So I basically just roll with the tide. I basically just go to sleep in good faith with my hair anyhow. And I have slept on my hair, I have protective styled my hair. I have been so exhausted that I couldn't do anything to my hair. So whatever my hair was in, whatever style my hair was in, I just go to sleep that way. And another thing is, when it comes to protective styles and nighttime routines, in fact I feel like I'm going to film another video for this. When it comes to protective styles and nighttime routines, when my hair is in a protective style, my nighttime routine is actually pretty much non-existent, because the whole reason it's in a protective style is so that I don't touch it at all, for me. So I basically don't touch my hair when it's in a protective style, but that's a story for another day. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my very realistic nighttime routine for when my hair is out. So when my hair is out, usually I wear my hair in chunky braids or chunky twists. And if I'm not going out or I'm not doing anything serious, I usually just leave the chunky braids and twists in. And sometimes I can leave them in for as long as 5 days or as short as 1 day. When the reverse is the case and I have to just do the chunky braids to stretch my hair or to just protect my hair very temporarily and then take them off within a couple of hours, and then I have my hair out like this, when I come back from wherever I went or all of the goings that I had for the day, if I'm that exhausted, guys, I just throw on my bonnets and then I go to sleep. But where I actually have strength, I usually just do the simplest of styles that will keep my hair from shrinking. Let me just say that. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today. I have my chebe infused water here. First things first, guys. I'm done braiding my hair, and this is the reason why I don't want to add any more products to my hair. You can see how oily my hands are because of all of the butters and the oils that have gone in here. So what I'm simply going to do is I'm just going to shake up my water, my cherry infused water, and I'm just going to spray it on my scalp. Not my hair, not all over my hair, but my scalp. The action is on my scalp. So I'm just going to spray it and try to massage it in. Now, without editing this video, the entire process takes about 10 minutes. So whoop. Now this water stains everything, so I'm trying not to get it on my shirt. After that, I will go ahead and put my bonnet on. This is what my bonnet looks like, and I am long overdue for some new bonnets. I have certain scarves, but I don't like anything that involves tying my scalp because I get headaches when I tie my scalp or tie my hair or whatever. So I always opt for bonnets. I actually like when the bonnets are free, because then the elastic that the bonnets are made of, or the elastic that's used to secure the bonnet, is not so tight that it grips all over my scalp. But in this situation here, my bonnet is actually really loose, and I can feel where the elastic inside of the bonnet has actually caught. So I'm long overdue for some new bonnets, but until I get them, this is the one I'm using. So I simply put this over my head and then I go to sleep. If I sleep consciously, so if my bonnet is adjusting itself in the middle of the night, I just wake up and I adjust it back. So basically, I need a new bonnet. So basically, that's it for my night routine. I don't do much at this point. Like, I'm at the point where I'm literally just leaving my hair alone. I don't do much at all. So you don't need to feel bad if you cannot do too much for your hair at night. Just make sure that you have your satin bonnet, and then whatever you can do for your hair the next day, you go ahead and do it the next day. But nighttime is basically a time when people have come back from work, from outings, and they're exhausted. People don't really always have the time to do night routine. So for me, this is basically all I do at night, and we have come to the end of this video. So please, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. I'm just trying to be truthful and keep it 100 on this channel. So please go ahead and subscribe, and stay subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, and then leave a comment in the section below, and I will see you in my next video.